Hello, my name is Dillon Petschke and I'm an engineer here at Infogressive. Today I'm here to talk to you about password do's and don'ts. First off, don't use all uppercase or lowercase characters in your passwords. Also avoid repeating characters such as 123 ABC 123. Both of these things make it incredibly easy for a computer or a hacker to guess your passwords. Don't copy or reuse your passwords on more than one website. A lot of times when a website gets compromised, the attacker will post these passwords online. They will also try to use your password to guess your other passwords and to access your social media or bank accounts. When logging into websites, don't check the Remember My Password button. This saves your password on the computer, so if your computer ever gets compromised, the attacker will have all of your passwords. Try not to make passwords that reference personal information, such as pet names or family members' names. This makes it much easier for someone to look at your Facebook and guess all your passwords. Okay, here's an example of a terrible password. 123ABC123. This password has no complexity, it's very short, and it's all uppercase letters. Another bad password would be something easy to guess, like the word password or Huskers. A better password would contain 8 or more characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. If you can't think of something, try using a password generator or credential management tool. These will store all of your randomly generated passwords, then you only need to remember one long, complex passwords to get access to your other passwords. Here's an example of a good password you can make. I have symbols, uppercase and lowercase letters that are easy for me to remember because they're lyrics to a song. I'm just a poor boy from a poor family. The numbers are actually just a pattern on the keyboard. It's hard to look at that and guess it, but it's easy for me to remember it. Hopefully the way I create passwords can be helpful to you. If you liked this Whiteboard Wednesday video, go to infogressive.com or follow us on social media to see more of our content.